अपना ये आलम कभी जीवन में बिछड़ेंगे ना हम कभी, बदलेगा अपना ये आलम कभी जीवन में बिछड़ेंगे ना हम कभी, यूं ही जाओगे आखिर कहाँ होगे हमारे, यादों की बारात निकली है दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे, सपनों की शहनाई भी है दिलों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे। आगे भी होगा जो उसका करम, ये दिन तो मनाएंगे हर साल हम, अपने आंगन नाचेंगे गाएंगे चंदा सितारे, यादों की बारात निकली है दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे, सपनों की शहनाई भी है दिलों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे। थैंक यू।
Professionals, entrepreneurs, some of them have become fashion designers, journalists, scientists, entrepreneurs, and many more, and they are really doing well. They are good human beings. So it's been because of our teachers. I would especially like to mention the names. Mr. Gardner, Mrs. Gardner, Mrs. Ghosh, our principal before Mr. Gardner came in, Ms. Collis, who actually, I remember her for getting her beatings. But as I said, I miss her a lot. Miss Nice, she used to be our supervisor. They could not be here this evening. Those who present are Mrs. Jane, Dr. Mrs. Deep, Mrs. S.M. Sharma, Mrs. G. Singh, Mrs. Bakshi, Mr. Khanna. Others who could not be here are Mrs. Gildia, Mrs. Massey, Mr. T.D. Rana, Mr. Joshi, and Mr. Tony Gyani. Please, Rohit Chandra, Rajesh Chain, Satpal Anand, Nalini Naithani, Atul Bhatia, Rajiv Dhawan, to please felicitate our teachers. Mr. Vipin Kohli would help them do so. applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's our way of thanking them, a small token of love and affection that has always been between us. Dr. Deep, Mrs. Abel, I will request the current teachers also to please join us in the clapping. Put your hands together as our old teachers respectfully stated.
Excuse me.
Mrs. Renuka Sethi, I think she's absent. Mrs. P. Sharma, G. Singh,
Yes, ma'am, please.
Mrs.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Jagmola,
A photo.
Mr. Bhattaria, Mr. Bhatt, Mr. B. Bhatt,
Yes. Hi. Thank you.
Mrs. Edwards, ladies and gentlemen, since this evening is one of the most popular class teachers, I would request Ms. Cherry Jain to please come and say a few words to us. Mrs. Ma'am, who hold you so affectionately high, you'll have to say some words.
I've been speaking all my life. All I can say is it's wonderful to have them here and to be here with them. And I know they are all very successful. I wish them more and more success in the days to come. And I look forward to meeting you all every year if possible. And big clap for them. 20 and there onwards, and we shall meet again. Parting is always very beautiful because we shall meet again. And all success to all Thomasians, particularly, yes, 83 and 84 batch, who have so beautifully put up this function and have been very, very thoughtful and caring. It was so sweet that they came to pick me up from my house also, and I hope they will drop me back also. Beautiful, very, very beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We are reminded, by hearing your voice, we are reminded as if you're taking the attendances. Well, I now request my friends to please felicitate our current teachers one by one. Vijayendra Sharma, Naresh Anand, Baljinder Singh, and Vipin Kohli. May I request our guests to please put on their hands together as our current teachers are participating. So Rajeshri, I was talking to you, Rajiv. I was talking to you about the stick, about the foot room, about the duster, and about the test tube. He forgot the answer, ladies and gentlemen. Let me try anybody else. Mr. Deepak Pandey. Sorry, Deepak Pandey. Sorry, Deepak.
Thank you so much, sir.
Different answer. First one. Good. Thanks for listening there. And we have identified a total of all test. That was for the question. This is our just like the academic answer, I don't want that. I'm not looking for that academic answer. Yes, Vivek. Very छोटा सा answer.
ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स हम जैसे गधों को हाथी बनाने के लिए
I think that's wrong. I mean, that's all I cannot say, but yes, that's the right answer, ladies and gentlemen. But unfortunately, what is happening today is these apparatuses are not in use. Affected by the government, various apps and various things. Unfortunately, we miss all of these apparatuses. So somewhere, I think, not attending classes. Okay, so stick, a foot rule, a duster, and a testing holder.
These were not in use. What's going to replace them?
What were they?
What were they?
Yeah, you just got an answer.
What were they? They were all part of our education.
How?
all missiles used by the British.
Oh, really? Is that what you said?
These were all the apparatuses that made us what we are today. The apparatuses used what we are today, for making us what we are today. Okay, now your revision is over? Okay, so I'm coming to a final question. If these four apparatuses were not there, what else replaced them today?
What is replacing them today?
Yeah.
Just counseling nowadays. These can't work. The children are too afraid today.
Okay, you feel it's the counseling which does the trick?
It has to nowadays.
Well, I think it still remains a debatable issue because let me ask my old teachers. Mrs. Singh, okay. Ma'am, if today you were to not to use them as apprentices, duster, testing holder, or stick, or a foot rule, how would you replace them? And what would you replace them with what? And yes, I think she advocates yes, hands should be used.
In love and see how we improve.
Well, let's hear it from Principal Sir, what he has to say about it. I think we all agree with him, so let's big round of applause. I would now hand over the mic to Vipin Kohli. Vipin, where are you?
Or section of any organization. This section plays a vital role in the smooth running of any organization, maybe our homes. Yes, I am talking of Aya Didis and Bhaiya Didis. When we were in Montessori, we do remember their services towards us. But unfortunately, most of the time, we notice that they perform only at the backstage. It was our endeavor, and we take the privilege of today's evening to integrate them into the mainstream. In this context, I would like to invite Shikandi Lal and Suresh Bhaiya. Shikandi Bhaiya और सुंदर जी. कैसे हैं शिकंदी भैया? बूढ़े हो गए सर आप? और कितने साल से नौकरी करें सर आप? हाँ, तब हम स्कूल में थे। पहचान लिया मेरे को? कौन हूँ मैं? नाम नहीं जानते, कैसे जानेंगे? हजारों बच्चे चले गए, मुश्किल है नाम याद रखना। अच्छा, इन 40 सालों में आप दोनों में कोई एक वाकया ऐसा जो हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे, आप बताना चाहेंगे? कोई ऐसी बात जो आपके दिल को लगी हो, अच्छी लगी हो और आप अपने साथ ले जाएंगे यहाँ से, कोई बात होगी?
सर, एक बात मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने जो हमें यहाँ पे मान सम्मान जो हमें याद किया है, और हमारे गार्डन साहब भी हमारी बहुत देखभाल रखते हैं। मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद दूंगा कि आप लोगों ने हमें जो है यहाँ सबको बुलाया, और 100 साल की जो हमारे स्कूल की जो 100 साल का जो परहेज हमें गाना साहब ने भी दिया, आप लोग की जो है आप दोगे। मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ पूरे स्टाफ की तरफ से कि आप लोगों ने हमें सर मान सम्मान दिया और आपने हमें याद किया। आप लोगों को सबको धन्यवाद। और जो हमारी टीचरें को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि हमारी टीचरें भी बहुत अच्छी हैं, हमारी देखभाल रखती हैं, और हमारे गाना साहब खैर, और हमारे हिम्मत सर हैं, वो भी हमारी जो है सर बहुत देखभाल करते हैं। आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ सर कि आप लोगों ने हमें मान सम्मान दिया, और मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद चिकन जी भैया।
फोटो भेजना।
सुंदर भैया, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? चिकन जी, जैसे आपने कहा अभी कि ये कोई गिफ्ट, कोई तोहफा, कोई इनाम नहीं है आपके लिए, ये केवल एक छोटा सा प्रतीक चिन्ह है उस सम्मान का जो आप लोगों के प्रति अपने दिल में लेके गए थे आज उस सम्मान को लौटे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और बाकी सब भाइयों का भी, लड़कियों का भी गिफ्ट रखा है, आप उन्हें अपने आप बांट दीजिएगा, मैं आपको हैंड ओवर कर दूँगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना मिला रे मन का। कोई तो मिलन का, कोई तो मिलन का करो रे भाई, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना। चैन नहीं बाहर, चैन नहीं घर में, चैन नहीं बाहर, चैन नहीं बाहर, चैन नहीं घर में। मन गया धरती पर और कभी अंबर में, उसमें ढूंढा हर नगर में, हर नगर में। रोज मैं अपने ही प्यार को समझाऊं, रोज मैं अपने ही, रोज मैं अपने ही प्यार को समझाऊं। वो नहीं आएगा, मान नहीं पाऊं, शाम ही से प्रेम भी मैं लगाऊं।
Hands together, ladies and gentlemen.
Sir.
Thank you, Vivek.
Sir.
Thank you, Rachna.
It's a pleasure being here.
Beautiful photo up here.
Yes, yes, please. Thank you.
The gardener to please let us be the audience to
Here. I'm sorry, this is no time for giving speeches. I hope I'm not going to bore you. But let me,
It's a pleasure to hear your voice, sir.
at the very outset, let me say it's a great honor to be here this evening, and the very gesture of 1983 and 84 batches for having this wonderful evening and thinking about all of us, especially the whole staff. I think the staff is overwhelmed with this gesture of y'all inviting them. I'm sorry if I'm not able to recognize some of you, because y'all have all grown into young men and women, not recognizable, but do forgive me. It's such a pleasure, and I feel honored that I was the principal of such two great batches, 1983 and 84. While you were showing some of the pictures of the photographs of, I think, some of the prefects, class 12, class 10, all batches, I saw myself, I didn't realize that I was that young.
You're still young, sir. You're still young.
You know, one gets lost with words when you attend a function like this, and especially you feel so honored that the ex-students, the Thomasians, are so loving and caring, and I think this is what St. Thomas's teachings everyone, to be loving and caring and to be loyal to your school. And the 83 and 84 batch have shown this. Once again, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I know some of the gents are feeling thirsty, they want to get to that table. Thank you once again for not only inviting me and my wife, my family, but as I said, inviting all St. Thomas's staff.